Hey guys, welcome back to Bit9. Today I'm going to show you a cool workaround to install Gmail app on your Mac. Since there isn't an official Gmail app for Mac, I'll guide you through a simple method that lets you create a Gmail-like app that you can add to your dock. Let's dive in. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Gmail homepage by typing in www.gmail.com. Once you're on the Gmail homepage, click once on the Browser tab. Then, grab the URL of that page by clicking and dragging it to your desktop. This action will create a browser shortcut for Gmail. Now, if you double-click on this shortcut, Gmail will open up in your browser. But we want to make this shortcut look and feel like a real app. To make this shortcut look better, go to the website makazicons.com. In the search bar, type Gmail and pick out an icon that you like. Once you find one, click on it to download it to your computer. Next, we'll replace the shortcut icon with the new Gmail icon. Right-click or command-click on the Gmail shortcut and select Get Info. In the Info menu, drag the downloaded icon into the top left corner where the current icon is. You can also rename the shortcut to Gmail by clicking on the name and typing in the new name. Finally, to add this new Gmail app to your dock, simply drag the shortcut into your dock. Now, whenever you click on it, Gmail will open up in your default browser, and there you have it. You've successfully created a Gmail app on your Mac that you can easily access from your dock. This method works with any website, so feel free to create similar apps for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Reddit, Facebook, and more. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more handy tech tutorials. Happy browsing and see you next time.